Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the perspective grid in Clip Studio Paint. First, navigate to the Layer menu, then Ruler/Frame, and select Create Perspective Ruler. This action will generate a new perspective ruler layer. You can then choose your desired perspective type, such as 1-point, 2-point, or 3-point, directly from the tool properties. This initial setup is crucial for accurate drawing. Once your perspective ruler is created, you can customize it. Drag the small square handles to reposition the vanishing points, establishing the depth and angle of your scene. The circular handle on the horizon line allows you to adjust the eye level. Additionally, you can use the diamond-shaped handles to scale and rotate the entire grid, giving you precise control over your composition. With your perspective grid set up, drawing becomes much simpler. Ensure that Snap to Special Ruler is enabled in the View menu. This will automatically align your pen, pencil, and other tools to the perspective lines. You can toggle snapping off for elements that don't follow the grid. For more intricate details, add auxiliary lines by clicking on the ruler to extend guides from your vanishing points. For complex illustrations, consider creating multiple perspective rulers on separate layers, which you can toggle as needed. Always lock your ruler layer once it's finalized to prevent any accidental adjustments while you're drawing. This ensures your perspective remains consistent throughout your artwork. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Mastering this tool significantly enhances your ability to create dynamic and realistic environments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.